Oregano Care. So today I am going to introduce about the beetroot juice. Do you know about the 12 benefit of beetroot juice? Okay, today I am going to show you that. Come, follow me. Okay, this is the beetroot. Okay, before we go for the juice, we make sure we take out all the skin first. Then only we make a juice. Okay, and also I am telling you what are the benefits in this beetroot. Okay, first of all, it's lower your blood pressure. Okay, secondly, it will improve your exercise stamina, and then it also improve in power in people's heart failure. Okay, heart problem. Also, it's good memory. It's give you good memory. Okay, we are cutting this beetroot skin. Okay, and the fifth, it will helps maintain the healthy weight. It prevent cancer, and it will good source of potassium. Okay, and it also help in a minerals way like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, and zinc also. Copper, selenium also it's in beetroot. Okay, so and it also provides so much of vitamin C, supports your liver and all that. It's normally liver means it will clear all the toxics, and also it's a good source of folate. Folate is vitamin B, which can help to decrease the risk of having a premature baby. Okay, and it may also reduce the cholesterol. So now we are going to finish cutting the skin of the beetroot. Okay, we are going to grind already. So this is how we are cut, and this is really good. And before you want to consume this, you can have it before 4 o'clock p.m. If after 4 p.m. means it's better you add with the warm water. Okay, we are cut into small cubes. To make a juice, we are cut into small pieces like this, so it will grind. Okay, before that I want to tell you some tips for this, because when you consume this twice a week, that means your urine, your motion will be in red color. So don't worry about that. Okay, so don't panic, don't worry, don't scared about that. It's normal. What it will improve your body is, it will give you a good freshness. Early morning you can wake up early mornings really fresh. It makes you really fresh. And then go for a toilet problem, it won't have toilet problem all. So, and then your body, you can see the body weight is reducing a bit, and then it's lighten up your body. Okay, so it's really good. You can add up just like this. When you okay, this is the beetroot we already cut. We want to make as a juice. Okay, we put in the blender all inside. See my colors, my hand. We add up little bit water. You can take half cup of water. Okay, we grinded already. We see how is the texture. If it's too thick, then you can add up with a little bit warm water also can. Okay, Otherwise, you can consume just like that. This is the good texture already. This is good enough for drink. Okay. We got the beetroot juice already. This is how is the good juice, beetroot juice. Okay. So we can have this twice in a week. So even babies, small children, kids also love it. The color also so nice, red in color. But don't worry about the urine. It will go like a same color like this, red in color. Even your motion also red in color. Don't worry, don't scared about that. It will normal. Okay. So let's join with us the beetroot juice. I try for you.
Tasteless and add sugar.
Wow, really good. But if you want to sugar a bit, also no problem. It's okay. But if you don't want sugar, you can just drink just like that. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you in next video. Maha from Oregano Care. See you.